Hi, my name is Khan and welcome to the new chapter. In this chapter, I'm going to show you exactly that how we can easily spot our structure, where is market going on, if market momentum is bullish and if market momentum is up. So how we can mark our structure and which criteria we should follow before to marking any inducement, POI and structure. So in this chapter, I will show exactly all the thing in a detail step by step. So in this chapter, we are going to learn all about the structure mapping, inducement and higher time frame identification POI. So before going to start on the chart, let me explain on rank. Then you can understand very easily that how structure is working and how we can use POI inducement. Look at this structure here. This is our bearish structure here and this one is our bullish structure here. So in both structure looks similar here. When market momentum is a bearish and in lower low, simply we are looking for the induce or POI meeting and then we are lower the sell. And same thing applicable in a bullish market. If market momentum is a bullish and taken out the inducement and then we are higher high confirm here and this lower low is a confirm here. When market break the structure and continue, we are looking for the buy after taking out the inducement, POI mitigation. Again POI mitigation after taking out the inducement, POI mitigation, and then we are looking for. So this rule applicable in a bullish market and bearish market everywhere. So in this first example here, you can see here what's happening right now and where is our step. Look at this one. This is very interesting. You need to watch very carefully. First one is here. This is our lower lows here and this is a lower high here. Why? Because market momentum is a bearish and creating lower high, market went up and then market pushed downside. So in this case, what happened here? Previous low is a broken and structure because market of them is a showing bearish and creating lower lows in a downside because the market taken out the index and this is our structure exactly. And after creating this structure here, what are you looking here again? The market went up, the market went down in this move here. And where is our next structure here in this case? First of all, we need to wait for taking out the inducement to confirm new lower lows, right? So in this case, where is our inducement and when we can mark this one? Where is our lower lows and where is inducement? So this point become our lower low and where is our inducement? Right here. And where is our lower high? In this case, this is our lower high right here, okay? So where is our structure? Look at this one. This point become our next structure right here, okay? This is our SMC structure when market momentum is a bearish and creating lower lows and taking out the inducement and then we are looking for the sell. So in this scenario, how many POI you will get? After taking out the inducement, probably you can hit our POI and then what are you looking here? Simply we are looking here for the sell at this point because market momentum is a bearish and creating lower lows. After taking out the inducement, we can plan for the sell. And again, what happened here? Market pushing downside and after taking out the inducement, what are you looking at? Simply again, we are looking here for the sell on this POI mitigation. And at this point, we can plan here for the sell in a lower time frame confirmation. So in general, how many entries you will get in the right? Because we have a 2 POI. First one is here and second one is here. So we have a 2 POI. So if price step on a POI, then you switch here in a lower time frame, then we can plan here for the sell. What happened here? If I teach you that you can catch multiple trade here for the sell. Look at this structure here. This is our bearish structure here. And generally we are looking for the sell after taking out the inducement. Look at the first structure here. After breakup structure, what are you looking here? Simply we are waiting for the sell after taking out the inducement. But market taken out the But at this point, what happened? Market take a pullback and after taking out the pullback, we can plan here for the sell at this point. Why? Because break the structure and after break the structure, this one is a broken. And after broken this structure here, market take a pullback to mitigate this PY and we can plan here for the sell. And why we are planning here for the sell? Because just above it, there is no PY, there is no inducement. That's why if price take a pullback and then also we can plan here for the sell in a lower time frame confirmation. Simple. Again, market push downside like this one, break this low, and we can again plan here for the sell and right here. Okay. Why we are selling here without inducement? Because market already taken out the inducement at this point right here, and market just pushing downside and take a pullback, and we can sell on mitigation. Another thing is here, if market break this low is here and market not mitigate this PY here, means the pullback, okay? So if not taken out this pullback, not mitigate this pullback, then you simply in that case, you need to wait for taking out the inducement, then we can for the sell. And also, if market mitigate this pullback is here, then we can also sell here, right? because just of it there is no unmitigated POI is here. That's why we can plan here for this sell. Also we need a lower time frame as well as, which I will teach you in next part. But in this one you can see here market not mitigate this POI, just push downside. Again now you know about the inducement. So this high act like an inducement and market went up to mitigate this one, and then we can again plan here for this sell. And same thing applicable here. This is a lower time frame like counter structure here, market pushing downside here, and just to avoid there is any unmitigated order flow is available here. So we can plan here for sell of inducement, again break on this one. The next pullback is here, we can again plan here for this sell, right? But always remember you need additional confirmation before the buy or sell. Again market break the structure here, again market went up to mitigate this zone, we can again plan here for the sell. So this is a rule when we can get multiple POI before the buy and sell. Now you can see easily that how many POI available here for this sell setup. If you are not marking these POI, you will get 2 POI only, okay? But if you marking the pullback POI, then you can easily spot our POI switch in a lower time frame, and then we can buy or sell. And the next thing is here in a bullish market is the same thing applicable here. The market momentum is a bullish here. After taking out the inducement, what are you looking here? Simply we are looking here for the buy after mitigation. Your POI order block order flow is available here, right? Again, what are you looking here? This is a higher high and this point become higher low because the structure is broken. And after broken the structure, if market push downside and mitigate your POI, we can also buy here at this point right here. Again break the structure, previous high, we can again plan here for the buy at this. Again break this one. If market came back this point, we can buy here. If no, then you need to wait for it to taken out this low and mitigate this POI, then we can plan here for the buy. Look at this one. Why? Because this low act like an inducement right here, and this is our higher high and higher low. We can wait for it to mitigate this zone, and then we can again plan for it. Break the structure, came back this point, and we can zone grab the liquidity. That's why if price came, now you can see how many POIs available here for the buy and how many POIs available for the sell. So this is a process that how you can easily spot our chart. Firstly, you to mark our higher highs and lower lows, and simply firstly you need to identify where is our unmitigated order flow available here, right? Always remember order flow is a primary. Firstly, you need to mark the structure and wait for mitigation our order flow. Order flow is a primary. Let me show you on chart, then you can easily understand that where is market going on. Simply you need to follow the simple structure like market creating higher highs and lower lows. Simply wait for inducement taken out and wait for POI mitigation, and then we can plan here for the buy and sell. And same thing applicable if market momentum is a bullish and bearish, and so if the previous high or low, then also we can plan for the buy or sell in a lower time frame. So let's see how price reacting in a higher time frame market structure. Then I will show you exactly to marking our POI, inducement and structure, higher high and lower lows, everything in a details. Okay, so this is our KV USD chart in a 15-minute time frame, and you can use any time frame like 1 hour, 15 minutes, 4 hour, daily, weekly, any time frame for the higher times, lower time frame as per your. Like if you are using 50 minutes, then you can use 1 minute, and also you can use 2 minutes for the lower time frame confirmation. And also if you are using 1 hour as higher time frame, then you can use 5 minute time frame confirmation. And when you are looking for the structure mapping, then always start from the top of the move or bottom of the move. So in this case, if you are looking for the structure mapping, then always start from top of the move like this one, because this one is a current price action. So if market momentum is a base and creating lower lows, and then what are you simply taking out the inducement, and if market taken out this, taken a pullback and mitigation, and then we are planning again break this pullback and mitigation, and then again we are looking, because this is a very simple way. When market momentum is a bullish and bearish, simply you need to identify a simple structure, right? And same thing applicable here if market momentum is a going higher high, because if market moves a higher high, simply you need to inducement first and then wait for pullback mitigation, and then we can continue follow the trend. Okay, so in this case you can see here how many is like inducement taken out, and when we can expect here. Look at this one. This is our structure when market shift here. This is our last point here when market, because before this move market momentum was bearish and now turn into bullish, right? So simply you don't need to buy here. Simply we need some lower time frame confirmation like structure shifting, inducement taken out, and wait for POI mitigation, and then we can expect that market actually looking for the reversal to the upside. So look at this one. this is our structure. Market momentum is a bullish and creating higher high right here. Take a small pullback and then market went. So in this case, generally what happened here? If market already grabbed the liquidity here, right, and market went up, so previous highs are broken and take a pullback, and we can plan here for the buy. Look at this one. Understand like this one. If market momentum is a bullish and this is internal step, if internally sweep here, right, and then market went up to break the previous high and market take a pullback, and we can plan here for the buy at this point, because this one become our POI for the next one. Why? Because the market already sweep this one. If market close below it, so this is not our inducement sweep here. Simply we need to wait for it to take an order, right? I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain here. If sweep this one, so simply we can buy after creating pullback. If no sweep, then market must be take the previous. So same thing happen here. Market taken out the previous low here. So if market break the previous low and market close of it, right, and take a pullback, and then we can buy, right? So this low is a sweep here. So if sweep this, we are looking for the buy after break the previous high, and after break the previous high, market must be take a pullback, and after pullback we can plan for the buy. And the next thing is here, if you are thinking that this highs are broken by this one, yes, this one is a broken here, and this one just simply you need to wait for it. Some candle close above it. So if price close over it and take a pullback, and then we can buy here, right? So in this case, look at this structure here as well as the first one is a sweep here and finally close over it. So if price close over it, simply follow the zone. This zone is already mitigated by this one and this one. So simply you need to switch here in a lower time frame at this point right here, okay? And which when you are looking for the buy at this point, simply we can buy here. Another thing is happen here, break the previous highs here. So if market break the previous highs here, market take a pullback, and also we can plan here for the buy at this point right here, okay? Why? Because we don't need to wait for inducement, because liquidity already grabbed here. You can understand like this is the inducement as well as market already grabbed the liquidity or inducement, so we can continue upside, right? So if market miss any unmitigated POI order flow, in that case we need inducement, okay? So market continue going higher high. Again, if market break the previous high, which was here, and then close over it, and then what are you looking here? Simply we are looking for the buy to the upside. This is our last selling move before the buy is here. Close of it, take a pullback, and then we can expect some continuation move to the upside. And always remember, you need lower time frame confirmation before the buy or sell. Same thing happening here. Market continue going higher high. Market not like create any unmitigated order flow or order block is here. Just creating higher high, and finally this was a new higher high is broken. Push downside, mitigate this order flow here. We can also buy here at this point, right? Because this one become our next. And why we are buying here? Because this one is our pullback, and also market grab the liquidity here, right? If market not grab the liquidity, then we can also buy here at this point, because just below it there is no unmitigated POI above it, below it, just below it, right? Everything is mitigated here. That's why we don't need to buy here after taking out the inducement. We can buy here after creating pullback in a downside, mitigate this POI, and then we can buy here. Same thing applicable here in the next attempt. This one is our last selling move before the buy is here, right here, okay? So at this point, so this POI is unmitigated here. Market take a pullback but not mitigate this POI here. So if price not mitigate this POI, it means we need inducement, right? Why? Because market momentum is a bullish, simply we need inducement before the next step buy here. At this point, you can see here, market take another pullback is this point, but you don't need to buy here. This is a not high probability POI. Why? Because this can be trap here, because market can be pushed downside to this POI, because this one is our POI here. This low act like a and then we can plan here for the buy in the lower time frame after lower time frame confirmation here, okay? So simply we need to wait for it to take out the inducement, then we can plan here for the buy. So this is a not good zone here for the buy, right? Simply you need to avoid these type of price trap here, create small momentum and then continue going higher high, but you don't need to buy here. Now we need to wait for it to take out the inducement. So I hope you understand that what I'm trying to explain here and how you can deal in that situation. Simply we need to wait for it to take out the inducement if you are looking here for the buy, right? So now market momentum is a bullish here, any higher high, and again we are looking inducement, but market not taking out any kind of inducement here, just creating higher high is our next pullback is here, broken and mitigation, but you don't need to enter here for the buy, right? again creating higher high, and this is our last, like this one is right here. And after inducement, simply we are looking here for buy, because market taken on, if market, we can plan here for the buy. But which point we can buy here? Market must be break the pre, but market just sweep the liquid, so you don't need to enter here for the buy. Understand this point is here, this is important. Market take a pullback and going higher high, market taken out the Indian, and this is a sweep here, this is a not closing here. You can see multiple sweep. So if market creating multiple sweep here, simply we need a candle close above it and market take a pullback, and we can plan here for the buy, as we have done in a starting. And look at this one, sweep and take a first pullback is a liquidity sweep, and next close over it and then take a pullback, and we can. So same thing you have to apply here. This one is a low sweep here. So if market sweep this liquidity here and market close over it, so if close over it, then we can plan here for the buy and next attempt here, right? But price not create here any closing of it. So finally what happened here, multiple right at this point market close over it. So if close over it, so where is our unmitigated order flow is here. Look at this one, this is our last selling for the buy is here. Look at this one, after close over it, market take a pullback, and if price create here any lower time frame confirmation, then we can plan here for the buy. I don't think market create here any lower time frame confirmation here for the buy, right? So after broke this low, and this become our actual lower lows here, right here, right? And this band become our lower high, sorry, higher high is higher low and higher high, right? Because this low is a broken, now market structure has been shift bullish to bearish, right? So if market broke this low, and now we are again planning here for the sell, because structure is a shift here. Simply we need again wait for like inducement taken out, POI mitigation, and then we can sell here. Market structure shifting bullish to bearish here and creating lower lows at this point, right? So this is happening here, the lower lows here, and take a pullback, small pullback, again pushing downside right here, okay? So finally what happened here at this point, this low is a grab the liquidity here. It means the liquidity is already grab here, market push downside. And again, what are you looking here? Simply we are looking here for the sell on right here, okay? And you need to switch here in a lower time frame, then we can plan here for the sell, right? If you are thinking why I did not mark the order flow, yes, of course you can mark the order flow as, but where is our order flow? Order flow is here, the last buying momentum for the sell is here, technique, right? But for the refinement purpose, you can use the entire zone for the sell. And you need to switch here in a lower time frame, then we can plan here again market break. And always remember market close below. So if close below it, then we can plan for it. If market sweep the previous low, so simply we can see short term buy to the upside, right? But you don't need to buy here because the market momentum is a bearish, and market create and market taken out the previous low is here. So we can see some short term move to the upside and then possible to the downside. Break the low, again take a pullback, we can again sell here like this one. So this is a process how you can buy or sell using simple structure. On the next chapter, I will show you exactly that how you can easily spot our lower time frame entry, that which criteria you should follow before the buy and sell in a lower time frame. And this chapter will help you a lot to understand things that how market structure is behaving work. If market taken out the inducement, then which criteria you should follow before to marking our POI, market taken out the inducement and creating higher high and higher lows, everything. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a few more example in a bearish market that how you can easily spot our chart. If market momentum is a bearish, simply you need to start from, look at this actual higher high. Understand this, market momentum is a bearish, simply need to wait for inducement. So this was our pre-inducement right here, because before this downside move, market must be inducement and tap on Y, whatever you call. But this one is our POI when we press for the buy, because before this market was taken out the inducement tap on POI and then we for the buy. But before this buy, what happened here? Look at this one, market push downside, taken out the inducement, right? And if market went up and close of it, so we can buy here, right? At this point like this, okay? But price not able to go higher, market push downside. So how you can the situation? Simply you can see what happened here, market pushing downside. So if market pushing downside, simply we need to wait for it for the sell here. We can't sell here directly because market not taken out bearish side inducement. That's why, okay? So price must be taken out the inducement, then we can. At this point, what happened here? Market sweep the inducement right here, and now you switch here in a lower time frame. Maybe you will get entry at this point, whatever, okay? But you can get entry till this here because if price step here, we can also expect some continuation move upside because previous momentum is a bullish. So if price step here and then we are planning here for the buy to the upside, right? So you can sell here, set our target. If market create here any lower time frame confirmation, then we can plan for the buy, and this can be your loss or valid if market create any opportunity for the buy, right? If no, and then what happened? Market take a pullback and fail. So if market fail, then how you can deal the suggestion? Look at this one. This is an important point. If POI is creating something like this, okay, and this one is our POI, for example, and then market went down and POI mitigate this point right here, you need to buy here directly to the upside, and we are expecting some continuation to the higher. But what happened if price give a small reaction and then fail? So if market keep this reaction and then fail, then we need a lower time frame. Then we need inducement before the sell, right? So if market create here any inducement, then we can expect a sell side move right here, and this point become our high probability entry for the sell. And the next thing is here, if market not create here inducement, then how you can sell? Simply, if market create here any like move like this one, and then market went up and then failed, right? So this zone become our high probability zone for the sell, and in this case you need to wait for inducement and you can directly sell here in a lower time frame confirmation. So same thing happen here. Look at this one. What happened here? Price went down and mitigate this our POI, and after mitigate this POI, what happened here? Look at this one. Market create small pullback here and market went down and again up and sweep the inducement, mean the previous size of sweep here, okay? But we are always looking here for the buy because everything was bullish as per our plan, but market sweep this one. If sweep this one and market went down, so what happened next one? Our POI this zone, and you can switch here in a lower time frame and you can sell here multiple entry till, right? Again, what happened here? Market pushing upside and you need to again find our POI is here, because this one is a next pullback, because just over it there is no unmitigated POI. That's why we need to wait for mitigation and then again sell this one. And where is target? The previous low right here. So we can set the next target is, so you can easily understand the structure, how things actually working. And after that, what happened? See the liquidity and market went up, but you don't need to buy or sell anything else here because the structure was bearish and there is no clear confirmation before the buy or sell. So you can see how many sell setup is applicable here for the sell for 1, 2, 4 and 5 and maybe 6, right? And same thing applicable here in a counter trend. You can see the previous structure was bearish, the structure showing bearish momentum here, and after taking out the inducement, we can plan here for the sell at this point, right? Break the low, close off it, break this low and close below it and take a pullback, and we can again sell here. Again, you can sell multiple position here. Sweep this one, you don't want to enter here. Again, you can mark this as a POI. This POI, if market created any lower time frame confirmation, then you can plan here for the sell. If no, this POI is a failed, and now our structure is changed, bearish to bullish, because taken out the inducement, this POI is mitigation, and then we can plan here for the buy, right? So simply you need to understand where is market going on. If market momentum is a bullish and bearish, simply you need to identify first inducement. After taking out the inducement, you can buy or sell on a pullback. Simple. If you not understand this chapter here, simply you can watch this chapter a multiple time. I'm very sure that this will help you a lot to marking our structure, inducement and POI identification. In the next chapter, I will show you exactly that how you can a lower time frame for the lower time frame entries in a buy side and sell side. And this is a very simple way to identify our structure, identify our inducement and mitigation our POI. You don't need to mark another thing like post or anything. If you wish, then you can mark. If you are not able to mark them, simply you can avoid that. Mainly, you need to focus on current structure, what happening in a current structure and what market is, right? If market momentum is a bullish and bearish and creating any lower time frame confirmation, then you can go for it for the buy and sell. So I hope you enjoyed the entire episode, and this will allow to understand things. So in this chapter, enough for the day, and I will see you on the next chapter. Happy trading.